In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Stock Balance Report module. First, click on Report, Stock Report, and Stock Balance Report. Here, you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the Stock Balance Report that is going to be generated by the system, such as the item group, the item type, the stock balance as on date, the item category, the item subcategory, whether or not the report should generate cost by stock movement, and whether or not it should generate a FIFO grid view at the bottom. So let's say in my case, I want to view the stock balance report for all items that belong to the tire group as on the 27th of December 2024. So in the group field over here, I'll select tire, and in the stock balance as on field over here, I'll select 27th December 2024. As for the other fields, I'll leave it as is since I want to view all items that belong to the tire group. And for cost by stock movement, I'll leave it unchecked since I want to view normal cost. And for FIFO grid view, I'll check it since I want to view it at the bottom of my report. So after I'm done here, I'll click on Generate. As you can see, the system will generate for me a stock balance report for all items that belong to the tire group with their stock balance as on the 27th of December 2024. In this report, you can view details such as the item group, the item types, the item codes, description, their quantity on hand, their cost price, real cost, total cost, and their total cost FIFO, which is first in, first out. Additionally, since we checked the FIFO grid view checkbox, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, we'll see an extra FIFO list that contains extra information about the items that are included in the report, that being their transaction invoices. Here you can see the transaction dates, the transaction numbers, transaction type, transaction quantity, unit price, and total price. Other than that, if you would like to view more details about a product, you can click on their respective product code. Doing so will bring you to the Stockmaster Edit page where you can view the product in more detail and even edit their information. So going back, if you would like to filter the products based on column values, you can also find your selected column header and click on their funnel icon. So let's say I select these three and click on OK. The system will then filter the products based on my selection. You can also sort the products by ascending or descending order based on column values by clicking on the respective column header, like so. Other than that, if you would like to group the products by column value, you can also drag your selected column header to the blank space up here. As you can see, the products will now be grouped based on quantity on hand value. To expand the group, you can click on the little arrow beside the group name, and to collapse it, you can do the same. To create a subgroup, you can drag the second selected column header to the back of the first one. And if you would like to ungroup your products, you can just drag your column headers to their original place. Finally, if you would like to download this report, you can click on the download button over here. And if you would like to print out this report, you can click on the print button over here. Other than that, if you would like to export this report into an Excel file or PDF file, you can click on the three buttons over here. Export Excel data and Export to Excel will export this report into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this report into a PDF file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.